Hi, I'm Diana Silvers, and today I'm going to be taking you through the Ralph Lauren holiday experience. Let's go. It smells like Christmas trees, so nice. Our first stop is the Ralph's coffee truck. Could I please get a hot chocolate?
Of course.
Thank you. Cheers. Every night I make myself a hot chocolate, whipped cream on top, and then I sprinkle cinnamon on top of the whipped cream. It's really good. When you're in Los Angeles, the winter sun is very intense and bright. Shall we? Just sound checking.
We're driving along an empty road. I know all the words to your favorite song. You tell me about some place you know, some faraway town you used to go.
Let's do it. Let's go to the vintage section. I am a sucker for vintage. There's nothing better than vintage Ralph Lauren. Look at all these sweaters. If I skied, I'd wear this. In my mind, I can ski though because I'm Swiss, and I'm like, it's in my blood. This is so cute. What? I could pull this off. I know what I'm asking for Christmas. Can I get in? I can. Damn. We should really make cars like this again. Oh, check that out. Now that's a Christmas tree. We are here at Ralph Lauren's Giving Tree. Purchase a star like this one in honor of someone you love, someone special, and 100% of the proceeds will go to Ralph Lauren's Pink Pony Foundation and also the USC Cancer Research Fund. So I think it's really special that we get to be here and support this. It's a really beautiful way to give something back this holiday season. If I could please get a star in honor of my grandparents. Their names are Miriam and Robert. Wow, their handwriting is incredible. Yay! This is for them. Happy holidays, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you get a chance to be with your family and find something that you're grateful for, and have some hot chocolate. Okay.